Okay, to look at these examples, I've chosen 2 questions from the topic test on sampling. This is question 1. This is the most straightforward question. To answer this question, the first thing that we need to do is look at what it's asking us to find in the sample. We're finding Year 10 students to survey. So we look at the Year 10 students for the population that we're given. The population size is 130. There are 35 Year 10 students out of that population of 130. So we say that the fraction of students in Year 10 is 35 out of 130. Now use this information to come up with an equivalent fraction for our sample. So if we had 35 out of 130 Year 10s in the whole population, we now want to know how many there would be with an equivalent fraction of 40 for our sample size. So we look and we want to do the same to the numerator and the denominator, which is divide by 3.25, because 130 divided by 3.25 gives us 40. When we do that to the numerator, when we do 35 divided by 3.25, we get 10.8. We think about the question, you can't have 10.8 people, so we say that our answer is 11 students need to be Year 10 in the sample, because we've now got an equivalent fraction. The second question that I've chosen to look at is question number 5. This is the more difficult type because you've got 2 different variables. They're asking you to think about 19 to 60-year-olds and females. So look at the two-way table. There are 460 females in the 19 to 60 category, and our population size is 1,709. So there are 460 out of 1,709 females who are 19 to 60. What we'll do now is we're going to make an equivalent fraction. The bottom of our second fraction is the sample size again, which is 200, so we've got a denominator of 200. And we're going to do the same thing to the numerator and the denominator. To get from 1,709 to 200, you need to divide by 8.545. So let's do the same to the numerator as we did to the denominator. That gives us 53.8. We've now got our equivalent fraction for the sample compared to the population. We can't have 53.8 people, so we say that our answer is rounded off to 54 females in the age group 19 to 60.